Hey everybody, it's Robot here from Vespa Motorsport and ScooterWest.com. So say you own a Vespa LX or an S150, S50, LX50. Pretty much they made this scooter from 2005 all the way to around 2014, even a little bit later on the LXV model. So pretty much any of the models that have a leg shield looks like this. In North America, when you turn the key on, you have the headlight come on and you have a pair of running lights. In the rest of the world, these are actually turn signals. The first bulbs that go out, since these run all the time, are these running light bulbs. And they're quite a unique bulb. You can put other bulbs in there, but you do take the risk of drawing too much current and discharging the battery. The correct bulb to replace these running lights is the 12V5W round bulb that we have. And these are the original equipment bulb. Inexpensive, just regular bulbs. Of course, you could put some trick LEDs in there. You certainly don't want to put higher wattage bulbs in there. The scooter may not keep the battery charged. So in order to change these, you just need a Phillips screwdriver. Pull the single screw that retains the lens, and then you just pull the lens out. Somebody never had the bulb in place, so let me pull the other lens out and I'll show you how it should be. So you have the bulb socket that's attached to the back of the reflector, and you could disconnect it if you like, but not necessary. Pretty much just turn this, counterclockwise. You just turn the socket counterclockwise and then it exposes the bulb. So push the bulb in and then turn it counterclockwise less than 1/8 of a turn, it will pull right out. So to take the new bulb, you got to look for the little slots where the two pegs, the alignment pegs on the bayonet bulb drop right in. So push it in and then turn it clockwise just a little bit and it will lock in place, it won't pull out. Before you put the lens on, just turn your key on, make sure both of them are working. And next you can get the correct lens. Go ahead and twist it on there clockwise. Just only turns like less than 1/8 of a turn. And go ahead and put the screw in here. And it's critical not to over tighten the screw, just enough to hold the lens in. So right when there's just a little resistance, just stop, and that's all you need to go. And voila, we have a pair of running lights. Makes the scooter look the way it did right off the factory floor. Thanks for watching one of my tech quickies on how to change the running light bulbs out on your LX. Look at my prior video, shows how to change the brake, tail, and license plate bulb on a Vespa LX. Until next time, Robot here for Vespa Motorsport and Scooter West. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video, helped you out. Consider subscribing if you haven't. Until next time, Robot.